Are you gonna dance you if I show you my money? Are you gonna dance you if I show you the way? Are you gonna dance you if I show you my pockets?
Bitty, come here. Hey, who give you belly?
Then I not get belly.
You not get belly now, they hear the vomit since. What's that they see for glass?
Now food when I eat, you know digest. Now make I go.
Which food?
For meat.
You don't make me vessel.
Then I know the left.
I said make you don't make me vessel.
I swear I not get belly.
You don't get belly? You don't get belly? Carry me to me, carry me go. I said what? Go from. Oh yeah. I carry myself today. I will show that man. Go show me the man.
Okay.
Go. Take front. Hurry up. Waka, show me. Where they go?
Now we come back with
This place? In Shasana, now the boy has this one.
Yes.
The boy won't give you belly.
Yes, now we come back.
Okay. Who there this house? I don't put fire, nobody they talk.
Who is that shopping there? And young man, why are you shopping? Beauty, why are you crying? And who is this?
Now you give my daughter belly.
Are you that?
Hey, now you give my daughter belly.
Beauty, you mean you are pregnant? Oh, I'm so happy.
Hey, happy guinea. When you don't give my daughter belly for my face, they tell me say you happy.
Sir, please stop shouting. You don't know me. I'm the son of Dangote.
Huh?
Yeah. We've been looking for a girl that can give us a child. I'm the first son of my father Dangote. So thank God that your daughter is pregnant for me. My dad said any woman that can take you from me, my father is going to give his parents 25 billion US dollars. No, sir, stand up. Just 25 billion US dollars. You're shouting. Yeah, but on the condition that she must give birth to a male child. If not, she won't get anything from my father.
You go give her belly again, give her belly again, give her belly again. In fact, she don't become your wife. Beauty your husband. You don't become your wife.
Sir, you mean you give me your daughter without price? Money problem. My people,
thank you for watching our short, sweet comedy skit from Omovicky Films, where they know as Anita, Tongo, know as we don't need that. This is Uchinna. This is just the beginning. Look now, another was the go. Thank you for watching this comedy skit. She says, like,